Yeah.
Look, he's waiting on you, baby. He's waiting.
Oh no.
Oh.
I can't throw that far.
He's
Get it.
throw it. That was oh, nope. Somebody stole it.
What I tell you about that?
My
They're
goodness.
going to come right
I
now.
can't throw that far.
Well, don't throw it at all.
Right. Don't get us so close.
Here. Lori, can you throw
I
the
told you.
chips?
No.
No, let's wait a little while. Because now we got them all up where everybody's sitting.
Right.
That's why I said to do it back there.
Okay, that's
So we didn't bother nobody else. Look, now they're coming to look. Boy, they're looking at you.
No.
Nope.
You got them on you.
You got them
got
on
'em?
the radar now.
Yep.
See?
Haha, I'm recording y'all.
You got it on camera?
I got 'em.
One more chip.
Here.
You got your camera ready?
Yep. Papa's a scaredy cat.
Oh, they're fighting over it now.
I'm about to move.
Scaredy cat.
That's why I said throw them back there where nobody's sitting.
Oh my god.
They'll go away in a minute, but don't feed them no more. I will.
Yeah,
Then give me one.
Yes, do it. Do
Give me
it.
one. I want to.
Okay, you retarded. Go ahead.
If I get a big, that's a good chip.
All right, you go ahead. Yo, dumb ass. Record that shit. Record it. Record it. Record it.
Lori.
Record it. You got it? Record it.
Come on, birds. Oh.
They're about
They
to.
said there to go. They said you got the there to go.
Oh, there's.
They're about to.
Record it.
She gonna get. Lori, you're about to get attacked.
I
Uh-huh.
thought he was coming, but
They're
they
coming.
want you there to go, Lori.
I don't know where to hold it. Come on, get it. Don't bite my
There to
finger.
go. As soon as she let it go, it's on. Alright. Their hair, they're starting to get their hair.
Lori.
Uh-huh.
That was, see, they want her to let it go.
He's coming back.
Look. They want you to drop it, Lori.
Uh-huh.
I only got a little chip left now.
Go get it.
They're not going to do it.
They're not going to come.
They're not.
They are. Don't worry, one of them.
They, look, those are waiting on you to drop it. They're looking dead at you.
They're coming.
There you go.
Oh, they're shooting.
Woo! Papa, there's one.
Here they come again.
They were gonna, if there would have been all of them. Give me one more chip. I'm gonna try one more time.
Birdies.
One more, and I'm done. Settle it. No, you can't give me no rolled up crinkly ones.
Yeah.
Now, no.
Don't even tell that bullshit.
I need a big one. There we go.
Don't tell her that. Hell no.
Feeding the Seagulls. This is gonna be a title. Feeding the Seagulls. Papa about to have a seagull on him.
He's thinking about it. He's like, I don't know about it yet.
Papa about to be afraid. Papa, what if what if someone sat on your head?
Ain't nothing gonna sit on my head.
What would you do? Cook fried seagull?
Oh. Go to the one that's beside you. There's one behind you.
Fly, seagulls, fly. Don't let the sharks get you. Seagulls. Seagulls.
Oh,
Yeah, seagulls.
Right. I like this mother was great. They ain't going close to her. Hell no.
All these seagulls. Yep. Yeah. Hallelujah. And
well, almost. Maybe later.
They're
They're a
coming.
little skittish, not too bad.
Let them know we got a crazy one over here, y'all.
Oh my goodness.
I think I did it once when I was younger as a kid, but that was at a different beach. They did get close. Now they're just looking at me.
They're looking at Papa too.
Yeah.
Like, come here, Papa.
Yep, they are.
You're taller than I am. You should have been the one holding the chip.
Yep. You watch and see. I sure will.
Start holding a gun up in the air. That's what he would do. He's a scaredy cat.
You want chips? You gotta take it from me. I ain't gonna give you no more for free.
Yeah, I pay her.
Look, that one's coming to me now.
Come on.
That one's mad. Like, get away from all the food. There was a couple that was thinking about it.
What time did it get?
That's when you need one of them long pretzel sticks.
That's how they get. Okay.
This is the best time here.